Welcome back to Ethan's Hangouts. As I said, I would do a review on it when it arrived, and it's here, so let's unbox it. It's something really rare. Now, of course, these are not sealed, but they're very rare, so it's the Adventures of Thomas 3-pack. So before we get into the box, let's have a look on the outside. So it's including Winter Wonderland Thomas, Plain Spattered Thomas, and Thomas Comes to Breakfast. Everyone knows that episode. Here's a look on the engines on the side, although they're all Thomas, and the back. They don't come with the collector's cards. Well, they do, but this one didn't. And there's a Percy series and a James series as well. And then that just shows what they're all from. Obviously that makes sense. Cornell Engines Good DVD. And that, what's that one? Thomas's Snowy Surprise. Snowy, yeah, Snowy. Okay, let's open it up. So there's a bit more bubble wrap. Yeah. So first up, we've got Paint Splattered Thomas. There's his name underneath. The license is 2003. Well, that don't make sense since Cornell Engines didn't come out till 2005. Next one. Thomas Comes to Breakfast. Also 2003. And the last one. Winter Wonderland Thomas. So his iconic smile. So his snowplow, although he hates his snowplow, so I don't know why he's happy. It'd be better if he had an angry face, but yeah. The snowplow, I don't think it's removable. So yeah, that was the Adventures of Thomas 3-pack. Tell me what you thought of it. Tell me which one is your favourite. And I'll have some more Thomas reviews coming soon. So this is Ethan's Hangout, signing out.